Nice big tree here. Like walnut? Anyway, it's already cut up there, but it's too long to drag out right now, so I'm gonna have to come in here.
Crack it.
I don't want to tear their yard up, so I'm trying to be nice and stay off the yard. These are my logging chains, they're not my DOT chains. I have to spin my tracks and put my blade out here because all that weight's going to want me to tip me, but let's just see what she's made of. You don't have a lot of swing power. I wanted to just swing it, not have to get out and rehook it. You got a lot of power pulling in, so I was able to move it pretty good, moving it that way. As I said, I'm off the ground. Cut it up for firewood. Nice piece of wood.
Crack it.
In a dark room, in cold sheets, I can't feel a damn thing. I lost myself between your legs. Your medicine is in my head. You know I'd rather be alone, yeah. But then you call me over habits of my heart. I can't say no. It's ripping me apart. You get too close. You make it hard to let you go. I can't say no. It's ripping me apart. You get too close. You make it hard to let you go. Tell myself I like that when you tie my hands behind my back. Confident.
Get it?
Yeah, what are you thinking?
I'm gonna cut this guy right off right here. That way we got a log the right length we need. And then this other piece, we'll cut it down there somewhere so it fits in the trailer. That's about all we can fit in the trailer today, but we got some more wood we gotta haul out of the woods down there after we cross a nice little ditch.
'Cause I'd rather be alone.
We're trying the 2-for-1 special.
For one. There's one for the comments. What's the difference between a BOGO and a twofer?
But you fermented in my bones. Oh, the habits of my heart. I can't stay.
Only thing I can say bad about Dell, I love this machine. It's a nice machine. But do something with your foot pedals, guys. This is comfortable. That is not. Backing up is kind of a bear, you know, and you can't really keep them here and do too well either. So, you know, kudos on everything else, but a little better on the foot pedals, please. Thanks.
It's ripping me apart. You get too close. You make it hard to let you go. I can't say no. It's ripping me.
This is what we gotta do. We gotta get over there. Woo, yeah. The size of that thing. That'll be fun.
Too heavy?
I may do the job. Is she bringing some more or not?
I think she's bringing some more.
Oh, I knew this would be fun. Blacktop was harmed in the production of this show. So, do wear your seatbelt in dangerous conditions, meaning all the time. I got an antidote. So, I wasn't paying attention, didn't put my seatbelt on a hill, and I thought I was good. Oh yeah, I know what I'm doing. And I go down, all of a sudden the machine just takes that little nosedive. I'm like this with the window open. Bam! The mast was, the boom was up here. This is only a small machine. It's amazing how much momentum you get from here to here. In a split second, I had number 7 from that bolt written in my forehead. That was engraved in my forehead one day. Yeah. All the guys are like, "You okay?" And I was like, "Huh? What? Who are you? What's your name? I don't know." And then they all start laughing at me. I'm like, "You guys don't believe me, do you?" They go, "Nope." Wear your seatbelt. All right, safety message for today.
And suntan lotion.
And a hat,
And hat.
gloves, safety glasses.
Everything
Ear
you're not wearing
protection.
right now.
Yep, PPE.
I am.
This will either go badly or it'll go wonderfully. Now the first log I threw up there went up there real nice like this. Problems of rear loading. I'm gonna have to load from the back. Nothing compared to a corn, I don't know what you call it, one of them corn cribs, and it's just like big thick wire mesh and then a metal roof on it. I crushed one of those up, folded the roof all up, crushed the metal up into bite-sized pieces to get in the trailer, and it was a little rough on the trailer getting it in there, but I got it in there and got it scrapped for the lady. All right, well, I got the rest of this pretty easy. That was the worst of it right there. We got to see the fun stuff. All right, see ya. So you might be saying, was he doing that for dramatic effect? Well, I was clear down there at the end of the driveway, down by the mailbox. So no, there was no room to work there. Yes, I could have cut things with the chainsaw like I did here. And yes, it sure does make it a lot easier. And you can gently just set it in the trailer on the side. Now, the customer said, don't worry about the driveway, it's fine. No, we can't leave it looking like that. We got to clean that up. Shout out to a nice little trick from Chris at Let's Dig 18. He'd hate me right now. He'd say that cab is disgusting. All right, hold your breath. Blow that off, get this cleaned up, and I will see you next time. Thank you.